Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a hand gesture, and it is specifically a talking hand gesture. So if you have your pencil all set, we're going to put down some framework. So it's like a gesture like that. So when we are talking to people, like we go like this, or we use both hands. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll start off with, so that is the wrist, let's say. We'll put in a nice oval showing the back of the hand. We'll put in another oval here. So 1, 2, and let's just put a round shape coming down like that here. So it looks like a bug's head right now, but it's going to assume a much more conventional hand shape once we are done. So flatter here, right around, and this is where the finger set is going to land, really, like right along here. And there's some foreshortening involved in this particular sketch, and we're going to get to that in a second after we streamline our thumb. So if you care to check out some of other videos, we have some repeated instruction set regarding doing drawing hands and fingers. So one method is that we do it in little sausages, and so 1, 2, and 3. So we can size them differently in that way. And if you see that even though it's not connected, it already gives the impression of a thumb, and then we can just go and do that to make this work. So the palm coming inward in this particular gesture, and then we have to place the fingers. So we'll start with the index finger here. The next one will be the middle finger somewhere here, the finger next to it right there, and then the smallest finger right around here. Now how they're going to land is the whole trick. So as we mentioned, there's foreshortening. So 1, we'll go and join the knuckles here. 2, 3, 4. Now that looks a little messy because that is the foreshortening as we are showing from that particular angle, and we'll get there in 1 second why we placed that finger that way. We have a different pencil here, and we'll do a set of sausages again. So 1, 2, and 3, essentially in that shape. So little flatter on the top and rounder at the bottom. Then we go to the next finger. 1, 2, and 3, and then middle finger. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. So if you see, this wireframe already gives the impression of a hand that has come into that has assumed a shape. And we're going to actually grab a color pencil for this and then do this. See if it comes through nicely, or perhaps a pen will do, or a marker. So I'm going to, so everything is going like this, like it's the circles at least from that perspective. If you see they're coming around like that, and we have to keep that perspective going when we put together the outlines and let the hand assume its shape. Let's do that. So the skin folds, of course, defining the structure of the hand, little flesh there, and then conventional hand lines right there, concentration of the skin, and concentration of the skin right there. And of course we can delve into all the details that we want, but right here we have to put out that layer of skin again right there, and then go into the fingers and just set them out. And there we have it. Now that finger, just because instinctively we sometimes gesture in that manner, and the fingers like the curl inward, so that challenge had to be dealt with to show this in a foreshortening sort of manner and sort of crunched against the next finger. But we could also go like this and just put this out next to that finger with the extension in flesh, and that would also work, but this looks a little more natural and dynamic. So there we have it, a quick sketch of the hand in a speaking gesture. And do Google images, but also do check out our other videos that feature hand anatomy, and I hope that this was of some help. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.